Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market. I'm going to show you a little bit older unit than what you're accustomed to seeing on my page. This is a 2011 Freightliner Columbia Condo. It is a glider kit, has a 12.7 liter pre-emission engine, 10 speed. Got it fairly warm, not complete operating temp, but you'll get the idea. Do a full walk around, oil pressure and blow by, and it's got basically new rubber. Truck overall's got a little over 1 million miles on it, but about 37,000 miles on an engine overhaul done last spring. It's got the paperwork on it. They did full pistons, liners, rod main bearings, injectors, turbo. Let me get it fired up, do a full walk around, show you what we've got. If you got any questions, you can always call me or text me at 901-896-4526. Let's get rolling. Side on the oil pressure. The double bunk. Interior's clean, especially for the miles that are on the truck. Somebody took pretty good care of it. Freightliners don't tend to hold together nearly as well as this one looks like it has for 1 million miles, 11 years old. Got new steers. Your blow by. The cab extenders have got a little bend to them on the edge. Got practically new rear rubber on the back too. Truck's been in the south, no rust. Frame rails are clean.